guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Candace, aka Diamond Candy. If you are new, make sure you click the subscribe button and make sure you turn on your post notifications because I don't want you to miss a post. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for your support. And yeah, let's get right into the video. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my top 5 products for protein, length retention, anti-breakage, strength, just overall like strength of your hair. It's very important. Sometimes I think we focus more on deep conditioning than we do on making sure that our hair is nice and strong, and a lot of us might experience some breakage just due to moisture overload or something like that. So I'm going to be sharing with you guys, like I said, my favorite 5 products. This video is made in partnership with Ovation, and I'm going to tell you what that is in a little bit because they are the first product on my list. So like I said, the first on my list is this Ovation Cell Therapy Hair and Scalp Treatment. It says our clinically proven formula contains proteins and nutrients that penetrate and protect the hair cuticle, resulting in your hair being thicker, longer, and stronger. It's safe to use and it also reduces breakage by 80%. This product is a salon quality type product, meaning that it has high quality ingredients, but this has been one of the really good products that has been helping me with the front of my hair situation. If you don't know about that, then you haven't been watching my videos. But yeah, I have a my curls are a little bit fatigued from like stretching and pulling it and slicking it down all the time, and this has been one of the products that has really been helping me. Alright guys, so I just shampooed my hair and I'm just popping in here to show you guys how I applied the Ovation Cell Therapy Hair and Scalp Treatment, and I also want to show you guys the areas in my hair that I'm struggling with. So it's these front pieces right here that have been giving me the most problem. They're actually a little bit better ever since I've been really focusing on using these type of products to strengthen my hair and stuff like that. So yeah, like I said, I didn't condition my hair yet. I'm going to apply this first, show you guys how I massage it into my hair, and then I'm going to be conditioning after. So I'm just going to take like a quarter size amount for each section and massage it through my hair and through my scalp. And now I'm just going to twist it out of the way and then apply it to my other 3 sections. So the product is throughout my hair and throughout my scalp. Now I'm going to let it sit for about 3 to 5 minutes, and then I'm going to rinse it out and go on with my conditioner, and I'll be back to show you guys what my hair is looking like then. So I rinsed out the Ovation treatment and went in with my 𝗣𝗍cie 3-Minute Miracle Deep Conditioner, and my hair just feels nice and soft. It feels strong, it looks shiny, and even some curls are popping in places that they really wasn't popping before. And yeah, that's how I use the treatment to help my curls pop, to give me the shine and the strength that I need. And it overall just helps me achieve healthier hair, shinier hair, minimize split ends and stuff like that. Especially if you're somebody who uses heat a lot, I would definitely recommend this product and really all of the products that I'm mentioning in this video. But if you want to check this product out, make sure you visit ovationhair.com. The link will be in the description box. And yeah, on to number 2. So on to number 2. Number 2 on my list is the Aphogee Keratin 2-Minute Reconstructor. And this has been one of my like products for a minute. Like I've used this since I went natural, and even before when I had relaxed hair I used to use it. And this really helps when like maybe I just straightened my hair or something like that and my curls are taking a little bit long to kind of spring back. This is one of the products that really helped me get my curl pattern to really pop and really come back strong. And it says that it has protein for strength, emollients for shine, and humectants for softness, and it's for processed or natural hair. So I just use this, I comb it in my hair in the shower and put my shower cap on and just leave it in for about 2 to 3 minutes. Take it off and I am good to go. I only use these type of products about once a week, and I try and keep a good balance between products like these that I'm mentioning in this video and deep conditioners and like really moisturizing products, because your hair really needs a balance. And I think we start to see like issues and stuff when we lean more to one side than the other. So you really need to find the balance for your hair, but these type of products I usually use about once per week. So yeah, on to number 3. So number 3 on my list is the Hairfinity Strengthening Amino Mask, and this is one of my favorite things to use, period. Just because it's very thick. It smells so good. Like I love this shampoo and conditioner that comes with this line. it is so bomb. Like, I did not expect it to be as good as it is, but this is super moisturizing. So if you're looking for something that is really going to moisturize your hair as well as strengthen it, this is the product that you will want to get. This is also a little bit pricey too, but it really is worth it. I savor it. Like, I don't use it all the time because, you know, we budgeted all 2019, but I use it occasionally when my hair needs a pick-me-up. And like I said, it smells good. It's very thick. It goes on the hair like butter, and it also strengthens your hair just for popping curls and just to make sure that your hair has a nice balance. So yeah, this is the Hairfinity strengthening amino mask. So yeah, oh god, like I said, everything will be linked in the description box below for your viewing pleasure. So moving right along, the next on my list, number 4, is the Aphogee texture treatment. It says that it improves elasticity, repairs damaged curls, coils, and waves. So it has proteins and amino acids and all that stuff, just like the Aphogee Keratin 2-minute reconstructorizer. But this line was made specifically for girls with curly hair, so the consistency of it is a bit thicker. I'm not a fan of the smell, but yeah, this is actually one of the good products. And when I first mentioned my damage in the front, a lot of you guys recommended this product, which I had already had and I already loved. So I've been kind of cycling all of these products to try and get my hair back to optimal state. So yeah. So last on my list is going to be like a DIY strengthening treatment just for moisture and protein and stuff like that. And it just includes avocado, egg, oil, and a conditioner of your choice. So I'm gonna have the ingredients and the recipe down below for you guys, but I really love that. Like, it is so good. Like, my hair just feels so restored and just so strong and so healthy after I use that. It gives me moisture from like the fatty acids and stuff inside of the avocado. Gives me protein from the egg. It also gives me moisture from the conditioner, and just like the shine from the oil, like everything. Like, it's so good. So those are my favorite products to kind of like make my curls pop. If I'm noticing that my hair is like limp or is struggling, it's not bouncing back like it usually does, it's like gummy, or like seems like my hair is overloaded with moisture, or if it's brittle and it's breaking and stuff like that, that could be a moisture problem, but it could also be a protein problem. So make sure you guys incorporate these into your regimen if you are struggling with anything like that. Some people are sensitive to protein, so make sure you're also aware of what your hair likes and what it doesn't like. But if you're experiencing anything like I just mentioned, make sure you try out these products. Thank you again to Ovation for sponsoring this video, and make sure you guys click the link in the bio and check out their products. They have really good products. Like I said, high end, but that also means that the ingredients are high end and that they really put time and effort into curating a formula that's really going to help the health of your hair. So make sure you go check them out below. And that is it for today. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.